Hi children, today I'm going to discuss with you the exercise in your textbook, page 58 and 59. Okay, refer to page 58, question A. Li Wei counts in thousands. She starts counting from 105,640 up to 112,640. Okay, now Li Wei counts in thousands. She started counting from 105,640 up to 112,640. From 105,640 to 112,640. As you can see, the number is increasing. Okay, if the number is increasing, that means Li Wei is counting in ascending order by 1,000. Okay, so start from 105,640. We count in ascending order by 1,000. That means we add another 1,000. It will be 106,640. Okay, another 1,000 will be 107,640, and then 108,640. Okay, then 1,900,640. Okay, you keep on writing the numbers until 112,640. Now compare the numbers that you have in the diagram. Don't have the first number. Okay, the second number, yes, we do have here. Okay, and we don't have the third number and also the fourth number. So the answer is 110,640. Now we look at question B. Rania is writing a number pattern in descending order by 10,000s. She starts with 649,280. Okay, number 1. What is the fifth number that Rania will write? So, number 1. How do you answer number 1? Now, start writing from 649,280. Okay, write in descending order by 10,000. Okay, descending order, you have to minus 10,000. Okay, so 649,280 minus 10,000, you'll have 639,280. Okay, and then minus again, you have 629,280. Okay, minus again, you have 619,280. Okay, and then you minus again, you'll have 609,280. So this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and the fifth number. Okay, so the answer is 609,280. Okay, number 2. Round off the third number to the nearest 100,000. What is the third number? 629,280. Now, round off to the nearest 100,000. Okay, so this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000s. Okay, now look at the number at the back. It is 2. Okay, 2 is a poor number. So that means you can just 2 it away. Okay, so once you 2 it away, you'll have 6. 6 will remain 6. Okay, 2 will become 0. And the rest of the number after 2 will become 0 and 0. So the answer is 600,000. Now look at C. The table shows the number of orders of food containers and water containers by 3 supermarkets, L, M, and N. Okay, now question 1 you to find the total number of food containers and water containers ordered by all 3 supermarkets. Okay, now we have L, that is 120,718. Okay, M, 6,790 more than L. Okay, so that means M is 6,790 more than will be plus supermarket L has 120,718. Okay, so you need to plus. Okay, so when you plus, you have 8. Okay, the number of orders of food containers and water containers by supermarket M is 137,508. Okay, now look at N. N is 7,020 more than supermarket M. So N is 7,020 more than. So more than you plus supermarket M. So when you plus 0, write it in standard method. Okay, now you have to find the total. Okay, questions want you to find the total of food containers and water containers ordered by all the 3 supermarkets. So you have to plus. Okay, so to find total, now supermarket L, okay, plus supermarket M is 137. Okay, and supermarket N. So you'll have 402,754 food containers and water containers. Now let's see question D. Enoch Biscuits factory produced 275,500 packets of biscuits. Okay, 140,850 packets were distributed to several supermarkets. Okay, 850 packets were donated to orphanage. How many packets left? In the beginning, they had 275,500 packets. Then they distributed. Okay, distributed, that means it's going out. Okay, so when you go out, you have to minus. Like 850 packets were donated. Okay, again the word donated. Okay, so when you donated, that means going out. Okay, going out, you have to minus again. Okay, this will be the mathematical sentence. Now, question 1, you need to find what are the packets left. 275,500 minus, okay, now you have to minus again with 850. Okay, so the number of packets left in the factory is 133,800. Now look at question E. A battery factory produces 8,970 batteries in a day. Okay, so one day it produces 8,970 batteries. Calculate the total number of batteries produced in 4 weeks. So question 1 you need to find for 4 weeks. Okay, first we need to find 4 weeks is equals to how many days. Okay, so 1 week is 7 days. So 4 weeks will be 4 multiplied 7. That will be 28 days. Okay, so we have to find the total number of battery produced in 28 days. Okay, so to find the total, we need to multiply. So 28 multiply 800. Okay, now write it in standard method. You can also use lattice method. Okay, so we'll have okay, so we'll get 251,160. Okay, now the next question, F. In conjunction of Flag Day of St. John Ambulance Malaysia, 420,689 stickers were distributed equally to 97 schools. How many stickers were received by each school? Okay, now distributed equally. Okay, distributed equally. Okay, to 97 schools. Okay, that means each school received the same number of sticker. Okay, so here we have to divide. So 420,689 divide 97. Okay, so we have to do times table 97. Okay, 197. Okay, 2 times 97, that is 2, 9 plus 97. So we have 194. Again, plus 97. You have okay, 291. Okay, continue adding. Okay, maybe we'll add until 7. So 5, 8, 2, and then 6 or 9. Okay, we'll stop until 7. Okay, so now you divide. Now this is 4. We have 3. Okay, minus. The answer is 4,337 stickers. So each school will receive 4,337 stickers. Okay, now look at G. Puan Ashwini fills W pieces of chocolate equally into 28 jars. Each jar has 60 pieces of chocolate. What is the value of W? Okay, Puan Ashwini fills W. So W is equally filled, okay, she put in equally into 28 jars. That means W divide 28. Okay, so now each jar has 60, so equals to 60. Write the mathematical sentence first. Now you see, for this questions it's involving unknown, okay, and the operation is divide, and the unknown is in front. Okay, if your unknown is in front, so what you have to do to find the unknown, you have to multiply. So 60 multiplied by 28. So we have 1,680 pieces of chocolate. Okay, now look at question H. 15 papaya seedlings are planted in a row. Okay, there are K rows of seedlings. The total number of seedlings is 180. What is the value of K? Okay, so one row you have 15. Okay, so now here you have K rows. Okay, and the total is 180. Okay, so in this case, how do you find? Okay, so write the mathematical sentence first. You have K rows, and each row has 15 papaya seedlings. Total is 180. Okay, again, this is involving unknown, and the operation is multiply. So to find the unknown, you need to divide. Okay, so 180 divided 15, you will have 12. Okay, the answer will be 12. So you have 12 rows. Okay, now look at I. David collected 54 durians at his orchard. 18 durians were eaten by his family. The remaining durians are equally distributed to his 6 neighbors. How many durians did each neighbor receive? Now, earlier David had 54. Okay, he had 54. 18 were eaten. Okay, so eaten you have to minus. So left within 36. That is the remaining. This is the remaining durian. Now, the remaining durian are equally distributed to 6 neighbors. So that means 36. Okay, equally distributed, you have to divide. Okay, divide by 6. So you have 36. So how many durian did each neighbors receive? So each of them received 6 durians. Now look at question J. Okay, a school has 1,450 girls and 917 boys. Each pupils are given 5 game tokens in conjunction of World Environment Day. What is the total number of tokens given to all the pupils in the school? Okay, so we have girl and boy. First, you have to find the total. Okay, 1,450 plus 917. So we have 2,367 pupils in the school. Okay, now each of them receive 5 game token. So what is the total? So total token, total number of token. So to find the total number of tokens, we need to multiply 2,367 multiply 5. Okay, so we have 11,835 tokens. Okay, K. Bella has 4,530 ringgit as savings. Her father equally distribute 150 ringgit to Bella and 2 of her siblings. How much money does Bella have now? Okay, now Bella has 4,530 with her. Okay, her father equally distributed 150 ringgit to Bella and two of her siblings. So we have 3 people here. We have to find how much each of them get. How much each of them get. So 150 divide 3. So we have 5. So each of them get 50 ringgit. Okay, now how much money does Bella have now? So total Bella has now, okay, Bella already have 4,530 plus with 50 ringgit. So now she has 4,580 ringgit. Now the last one, L. Jamli will draw 1,200 ringgit from his salary account. He spent 450 ringgit. The balance is placed equally into 6 envelopes for his children's tuition fee. How much money is in each envelope? So he had 1,200 ringgit and he spent. Okay, spent we have to minus. So minus 450. So balance that Jamili has now is 750 ringgit. Okay, 750 ringgit he placed equally into 6 envelopes. So we have to divide. Okay, so now each envelope has 125 ringgit. Okay, that's all children. See you soon.